Hello and welcome to Bell CB. This is Screwdriver, and this is a tune-up report for James in Arizona on the Cobra 29LTD Classic. He had me put a Mosfet final in here and give it a tune-up for him. And let's check it out. James, over here we have 10 watts across the top. Coming in about 5.5. Over on this one, 50 watts. Going to be reading in the middle here, 20, 30, 40.
Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Let's turn this down a little bit.
Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Audio.
Okay. Put it on here. Is that breaker 19 for a radio check? How about a 19's my radio getting down today? Breaker. How about it? Is my radio working? Alright, you're far away, but I'll take what I can get. Thank you very much. Screwdriver, Fort Lauderdale, back out. Fort Lauderdale, South Florida. You say New Mexico? Did you say New Mexico break? Tim on to New Mexico and all that noise, I guess, is working. Appreciate you coming back to me. You have a fine one. Screwdriver, Fort Lauderdale, Florida. We're gone.